I'm a Murphy. Anything can go wrong, it will.
Everybody good?
Good back here. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you, sir?
I'm great.
We're in the woods. It's not the Ozarks, but we're in the Ouachitas doing something kind of different.
Finally in the Ouachitas. Did I pronounce it right?
You did.
Ouachitas.
Oh.
Ouachitas. And there's somebody special with me. Meet Savannah. Hi, Savannah.
Hi.
She's shy.
I don't understand why this road is always so rough. It looks like it would be smooth, but it's not.
I would consider this smooth, but to each their own.
Jeep problems, but I don't get stuck, so I guess I'll take the rough. I really hope you had your GoPro going for that.
Oh, it was going.
Yes!
Flatside Pinnacle. It's a 0.3 mile hike. Not very strenuous. I'm just out of shape. No, but it's not bad. It's fairly flat except for the last little bit. You got some stair steps.
Well, it's you can see everything. Yeah, it's great. You can just use your imagination.
Imagination.
Okay guys, so I didn't film anything after Taylor left us, but me and Savannah, we went and camped at a campsite again. It was wet and rainy, so I didn't film nothing. I know I'm pulling a fast track overland excuse over here. Sorry Chris, calling you out there buddy. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Got a few more clips the following morning on the way out, so hope you guys enjoyed those. All right, so take care of a few housekeeping things. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost anything. Also, if you want to go to more EXPO, use code Eaglesover10, and that'll give you 10% off your tickets to more EXPO. If you want to be a Patreon supporter, the link to that is in the description below, and as always, that is appreciated. Anyways, remember, you already have wings. All you have to do is fly.